Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel AceFin. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today, that is 16th of March, Wednesday, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 17th of March, the third weekly expiry of this month. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the global indices. If you look at the US indices, all are firmly trading in green. Dow Jones is up by 1.27%, S&P 500 by 1.55%, and Nasdaq is trading above 2%. If you talk about the European indices, DAX, FTSE and CAC all have been trading firmly in green. Germany is over 2%, as well as good signs of recovery are being shown by FTSE and CAC of France. Now, if we go to the indices of Asia, especially Chinese indices, these indices have closed hugely in green. Hang Seng, which was yesterday beaten down and it was down by more than 5%, now today it is up by more than 9%. So all these indices have recovered. So as of now there is a good recovery in the market, and the VIX has crashed by 9% for India. If we go to the FII data for today, FIIs were net buyers. For the first time I'm seeing this figure in this month. FIIs have been buying for 311 crores and DIs have been buying for 772 crores. So these are the buying figures for these two categories. If we go to the 15-minute chart of Nifty, we can see that today we opened a huge gap up. Gap up was approximately 230 points because of the good global cues, and today there was also good news that Russia and Ukraine are on talking terms as of now, and they are trying to move towards some agreements. So for tomorrow, what is going to happen is, as of now SGX Nifty is trading at 17,089 and we might see a gap up again. So what was happening today was, after getting a good gap up, Nifty was trying to sustain, and Nifty was trading in a complete range of approximately 100 to 120 points, and at the end, towards the end of the trading session, Nifty gave a breakout, and this is the breakout which has come, and we have been pushed closer to 17,000 level. I took a trade on a 5-minute chart. Let me show you. So I took a trade today and I made a profit of 5,000 rupees. I'll be showing you what I did and what is the understanding. So I took a trade. I write it down, a 17,000 call strike price of this present expiry, 17th March expiry, and this is the trend line which Nifty was following, and I was pretty sure that this trend line once breaks, then Nifty can come up to this level, which was 16,050. So this was my target and I took a trade at this level and I booked approximately 5,000 rupees. So I'll be showing you, I have shared that video on an Instagram, and whatever profit and loss I'm going to make, I'll be sharing it with you on the YouTube as well as on my Instagram channel. So I'll show you the Instagram video which I have posted, and I'll be active on this. So before we go to the option chain, let's look at the levels for tomorrow. So if we open gap up, then the first resistance would be 17,000. So as of now 17,000 is a good crucial number for Nifty because it has been considered as a resistance for quite some time. So 17,000, then 17,050, and the last resistance for tomorrow would be 17,150 to 170. If we start moving down, and if you open gap down, then the first support would be at 16,840 to 16,850, second would be 16,740 to 750, and the third would be 16,600 to 620. So the green line is a 50-day exponential moving average on a 15-minute chart, and red line is 200-day exponential moving average. So these are the figures when people should look to buy the stocks. So as of now we are trading above 50-day and 200-day moving average. So these are the levels on the call side. On the put side, these are the support levels for Nifty. If you go to the option chain on a 17,000 strike price, we can see good amount of activity is happening. here the call writers have started closing their position and the put writers have started increasing their position, so that means that they are bullish. Here all the good amount of call writers have closed their position and they have booked the losses for this week. If we talk about the put writing zone, the good amount of put writing is happening at 16,800 and 16,900. So I'm pretty sure these are going to act as a good resistances for tomorrow, support for tomorrow. And talking about the resistances, 17,000 is definitely a resistance, followed by 17,100 and 17,200. So these are the resistances for this weekly expiry. If you go to the bank nifty on a 15-minute chart, bank nifty was also trading in a complete range. Bank nifty opened approximately 600 points gap up, and then a huge bullish 15-minute candle was formed, and then the bank nifty traded in just a range of approximately 200 to 250 points. So there was not much movement. Whatever gains we are seeing at Nifty and Bank Nifty, it was majorly due to the gap up opening which we have experienced today. So for Bank Nifty, tomorrow if we open gap up, then the first resistance would be at approximately at 36,000. We can easily cover up to this level, then 36,220 to 36,250, and then 36,600 would be the resistance. So these are the levels. If we talk about the support level, the first support would be 35,700 to 750. It is the point where we have closed, then 35,550 to 35,600, and the last would be 35,350 to 35,400. If we go to the option chain of Bank Nifty, we can see we are at 35,700 here. Good amount of call writers have again closed their position in the Bank Nifty as well, and we can see good amount of put writing is happening at 35,500 followed by 35,000. If we talk about the call writing zone, call writers are active at 36,000 strike price, but here we can see some amount of unwinding is happening. So this is not a zone which we can say that the Bank Nifty will not cross. Bank Nifty can easily cross this level, followed by 36,500, which is the next resistance for Bank Nifty. So let me show you the
हेलो दोस्तों, निफ्टी के 5 मिनट चार्ट पे हम
so this is the video I have shared, and this video is in Hindi for our subscribers. So as of now the video is not properly oriented. I'll make sure that whenever I'll upload next time, I'll keep it in a proper orientation.
निफ्टी के 5 मिनट चार्ट पे हमने ये ट्रेंड लाइन खींचा था,
So this was something which I recorded in the live market.
और इस ट्रेंड लाइन के ब्रेकडाउन होते हमें हमारा टारगेट मिल गया, जो कि था 16,850. इसमें हमने 17,000 की कॉल को राइड किया था, जैसे कि मैं आपको दिखा सकता हूँ, और इसमें हमें 5,000 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट. हेलो दोस्तों,
So that's all for the today's video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendation and some stocks
हेलो दोस्तों,
trading like this, then you can of course follow me. The link for the Telegram channel and the Instagram will be given in the description below. Thank you.